You need manual skills, good materials, and above all, the right tool to turn a new idea into a real product. Traditional bolting, gluing, welding, and riveting are all proven joining techniques. However, with modern lightweight construction, production costs are particularly impaired, and restrictions on construction and design are imposed. The manufacturing industry has also changed with the development of modern technologies. New construction is becoming lighter, more efficient, more intelligent, and multifunctional. Multi-material welding offers the ideal joining techniques for this purpose. Welding offers a technology platform for numerous joining solutions as well as cutting-edge simulation and development tools. The complete automation of the assembly system simplifies and digitizes the entire production chain for faster and more economical production processes. Unique fasteners for all kinds of connections allow for innovative construction, absolute design freedom, and flexibility in choosing materials. With the help of artificial intelligence and big data, the Smart Solutions software also allows for a real-time quality control of the joining processes. Design and construct your new ideas in a lightweight construction and multi-material design for trend-setting technologies for sustainable handling of our resources.